guys, I'm Reed, your weather reporter. I'm a junior kinder from Woodale Academy. I'm not just here to tell you the 5 kinds of weather in the Philippines. I'm also here to present you 3 fun weather experiments. Are you excited? Okay, let's start with the 5 kinds of weather. When you feel hot, when you are under the sun, when you need to use umbrella, wear sunglasses, and thin clothes. It's a sunny day! Now when it rains the whole day, when the sky is covered with dark clouds and you need to use umbrella or raincoat outside. Oh no, it's a rainy day. Next, when the wind blows hard, when dry leaves and clothes on clothesline are blown by the wind, then I'm sure it's a windy day. Continuing, when the winds blow very hard, when with heavy rain, when thunders can be hard and lightning can be screamed in the sky. OMG, it's a storm. And lastly, when the sky is just covered with clouds, and when most of the time the sun is hiding behind the clouds. I know, it's a cloudy day. And there you have them, the 5 kinds of weather in the Philippines. Don't forget that, okay? Now we go to our most awaited weather experiments. Experiment number 1. Snowstorm. Guys, I know that it's not snowing here in our country, but I just want to do this experiment since I love snow. These are the materials we need for this experiment. A jar with oil, white paint, water, tablets of Alka-Seltzer. Step 1. Pour baby oil 3/4 full in the jar. Step 2. Mix white paint into a cup of water. Step 3. Once you mix your paint and water, pour it into your jar. Step 4. Now here's the exciting part. Drop 1 Alka-Seltzer in the jar and observe what happens. Do you see our snowstorm quickly appearing? Wow, I love snow. Don't you? Now we go to our second experiment. rainfall in a jar. These are our materials: a jar with water, shaving cream, blue watercolor. Step 1. Get your water. Step 2. Spread some shaving cream on top of the water. Imagine this as our fluffy clouds. Cute, right? 3. Pour blue watercolor through your clouds. Now observe that the blue paint is coming through the clouds and to the water. Just like rain, once they are too many and too heavy for the clouds to hold, then they will drop and make rainfalls. Can you see them? Amazing! Now, are you ready for our last experiment? This is cloud in a jar. We need the following: a jar with the lid, hairspray, hot water, and ice cubes. Someone pour hot water in the jar. Be sure to ask help from your parent because this experiment is a bit dangerous. Okay, step 2. Quickly rinse some hairspray into the jar. Step 3. Cover your jar with an upside down lid with ice cubes on top. Now observe the happening inside the jar. We are seeing a white cloud formation. For the finale, let's lift the lid and watch our clouds disappear. Thanks guys, hope you enjoy what I have shown you. See you again. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.